Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. I want to walk you through a brand new trade that we just got in. This is a Sea Ray 290 SDX. It's a 2022, so just traded in, very low hours, and as you can see, it is on a very nice Sea Ray trailer, which is included in this deal. So I'll walk you through. We'll check out first here at the bow. This is a nice windlass anchor for this 290, so a lot easier to get your boat anchored out and hanging out. Obviously you can see the nice black. This is like a metal flake, so it has a little bit of sparkle that pops out. It's hard to see it right now, but there. And then in the tower here, we do have a tower that moves up and down manually with the same color integrated into the tower as the side hull. And then we come back here. So this is a place that a lot of people like to hang out when they're hanging out on the water with family and friends. Nice, huge swim deck back here. This does fold down into the water. Drive goes all the way down. Nice to stand on or sit on or get back up into the boat as well. Nice sea deck back here. This is the Mercury 6.2 350 horsepower engine with the Bravo 3 dual props. So again, 29 feet in length. This is a beautiful boat. Let's go to the interior and take a look at the rest of the options. All right, welcome to the interior of this 290 SDX. I want to show you the back lounge area. This is where everybody really loves to sit when you're hanging out. Obviously you can see these nice lounge seats, two of them here. You got cup holders, a little bit of storage on each side. Just a nice, awesome place to sit back. These do fold down when you're underway, which is kind of nice too. And then as we walk through, obviously you can see the sea deck. There is a nice deep cooler underneath there, so you can put drinks or whatever else you need. And then as we come to the 290, we got a great cockpit here. So lots of space right here for people to sit around. And then as we turn over here a little bit, we do have a little basin right here, and then a little sink there with some storage. And then there is a garbage can under there. We've got some nice deep storage on this side as well, and then some nice storage in the floor, along with the sea deck that goes all the way through the boat. When we come up towards the helm area, we have our passenger seating. It does have a bolster that lifts up and down, and then simply move this and you can sit backward. Same with this side here, bolster seat moves, you can move it back and forth. As we come up to the helm area, this has the Mercury 6.2 350 horsepower engine, which with the digital throttle. We do have a 12-inch SIMRAD gauge screen, gives you information on your engine, and then some GPS as well. We do have some interior lighting options in here, and then we do have the Fusion stereo. So this is the Fusion here. You can connect it with any Bluetooth devices, your phone specifically, and then the nice upgraded stereo package with a subwoofer and extra amplifier. And then down in here is a nice spacious head with a sink. So nice area to do what you need to do. And then we come up to the bow, the 290 sun deck or sun decks in general, a lot larger bows, tons of space. You got a nice armrest right here, more storage in the floor, storage underneath the seats, windlass anchor. 290, just an amazing boat, plenty of space to bring all your friends. And like I mentioned before, this is a used 290, very low hours, and trailer is included. So it's here in MarineMax, just became in stock. So if you want to take a look at it in person, give us a call to set up an appointment or stop on by our Rogers location and we'd love to show it to you. Thanks.